Hey guys, Bubby here. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new formula that Huda Beauty came out with. Stay tuned and we will see how good it wears. Let's get into it. Okay, so with this foundation, I got the shade Angel Food 110 Neutral because the other shade that I got before, the matte shade that it came out with, I got Vanilla 120B. And it says it's faux filter, a luminous matte foundation. Now, coverage is full, finish is matte, and the formula is liquid. Now, I remember her talking about how she made it fragrance free for the girls that do get acne. Okay, oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. Alright, blendable, full coverage formula is fragrance free, transfer proof, waterproof, fade proof, and sweat humidity proof, and offers up to 24 hours of wear. I think that's pretty good. Alright, 96% women and men agreed that their skin appeared smoother when wearing this product. So. It is vegan and cruelty free. Alright, let's just get right into it. Now, I have the older one. Yes, this is 120B Vanilla. This is the older one. And then I have the newer one that it just came out with. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It still has the exact same packaging from the last time. She didn't change much except for the formula not being completely matte. So it is a little bit more luminous for people that, of course don't want it super matte. So this should be pretty good for people with dry skin. Now, I have dry skin, so we're going to see. Well, I have dry to combination skin. Oh my gosh, I just ripped the whole box. Okay, it pretty much looks exactly the same. Except, of course, the older bottle that I have is completely rubbed off. Oh my gosh, it's completely rubbed off, and this one is new, of course. 120B Vanilla. This one is 110 Angel Food Cake. Positive. Yep, Angel Food Cake. Alright, now we're going to test. I'm going to have 120B on this face. Oh my gosh. This side of my face. And then 110 Angel Food Cake on this side. Now, I got a new primer and I am so happy about. Okay, I am just flaring up with all this acne that I did not want or need or wanted at all. And she's coming through, so I'm trying to get a hold of her. So, because my pores have been looking terrible recently, I got the new Makeup Forever Professional Paris Pore Minimizer. Step 1 Primer, 24-hour base. This is what it looks like. It's pretty small though. It's like as big as my hand, and my hand's pretty tiny. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit on to my hand. The first time I tested this out, it is a little bit watery. It does separate on its own. So make sure to just kind of mix it up, Smack it against the hand. We all know how this goes. Okay, that should do it. So I'm just going to be putting just a little bit on this side of my face right here. And some over here, of course, because I have the worst. My T-zone area is just terrible when it comes to my pores and my nose, of course. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh my gosh, it reminds me of like a hair salon. She's smelling good. I'll zoom you guys up to see how this is looking so far. Oh my gosh. This primer smells delish. It does remind me of a salon. Now as I think about it, it smells beautiful. Now I think I might have put too much on because a little goes a long way. So well, there you go then. That's what I did. Oh, it has a silicone feel to it. It's very nice. I'm gonna be putting. You know what? Use a little bit amount because I noticed that a little goes a long way, a lot. So I'm probably just gonna have to end up putting this on my full face because this is it's a lot, honestly, and I don't want to feel too greasy. If it's very silicone-y. Like, it feels like the Huda Beauty package. Oh man, this is so nice. I'm going to love this primer. And don't use as much as I use because I didn't realize that went that far. Ooh. Oh my god. It smells so good. Alright, I don't know if I should let this sit for a while. I'm going to read the back really quick. No, it doesn't say to let it like dry or anything. Because it feels very silicone-y, which is great. And then I also got the new Professional Super Setting Spray by Benefit. It's supposed to make your pores super small. It's alcohol free, which is really cool. So I'm going to be trying that in a little bit. Alright, I got 120B vanilla going on this side. I'll be taking a dry beauty blender because when it's wet, it does tend to take kind of the moisture out of the foundation. That's how I find it. So I am going to use a dry beauty blender. Woo, it's been a long time since I've used her. And the fragrance in the old one is very strong. Like, that's how I wouldn't say it's very healthy for somebody that has very cystic acne or prone to acne, period. I don't think it's very good to put such a heavy fragrance on your face. Though this fragrance, oh my gosh, this foundation was one of my favorites and it still is. So we're gonna see how the other one plays out. Okay, I got one of my faces done, gosh. The right side done. I'm just gonna show you guys how this looks. It's supposed to be more on the cool tone. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. More of the cool tone side, but I almost feel like it's kind of grayish. So it is full coverage, so I'm gonna go ahead and back up. I'm not gonna use any concealer at all with this because it is so full coverage. Alright, and for this side of my face, I'm going to be using 110 Angel Food Cake. Use a brush. I shall be right back. Okay, so the brush that I'm going to be using, it is a little bit small, but because I have a lot of dry places on my face, I don't want it to kind of cling and just go really fast, so I'm going to work in with a tinier brush. The brush that I'm going to be using is the JH08 of Morphe. Alright, I'm just going to be taking just a little bit. Let me see if I can get it out first. Ooh, she's having a hard time coming out. Yep, it's completely fragrance free. Now I'm just doing some brushing motions into my skin, and then I'll pat it all the way through. Especially with the nose area. Some people have been saying it is getting very cakey on their skin. I don't know how this will go for me, but we're gonna just see. Okay, they almost look exactly the same. I don't think it's bad at all, honestly. I'm gonna zoom you guys up close so you can see side by side exactly what it looks like. 120B vanilla in the old shade. This, as you can see, this covered up a lot more than this side. You can still see a few of my blemishes going through. So it is a full coverage, but I wouldn't say that it's like full coverage. Like, it's not going to cover everything, but it is very subtle and very nice. I might have to add some more right here, but it is very nice though. I don't think it's bad at all. However, I do seem to like the older foundation just a little bit more because it more sets on top than going in to my pores, as you can see with this one. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's kind of going into my pores, and my acne has been terrible for right now because I need to redo my birth control shot, so it's not going the best right now, but she's there. So as of right now, it's not like you know how some of those foundations, when you go it just feels like really stretched out and not very cute, and you're not enjoying the way you feel, but you enjoy the way you look. Now this, it doesn't feel that way. It doesn't feel that way at all. Like, I can move my face and it doesn't feel drying at all. And it might have been because of, I don't know. I mean, I put on a lot of moisturizer, but before I put on any of my makeup, I always like to do that. So that could have been it. But it feels very nice. And I'm going to show you guys throughout the day what it looks like. It is now 12 o'clock. 12:30, yes. 12:30. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what it looks like completely. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup, and I'll show you guys exactly how it looks and what I think about it and yada yada yada. So I'll let you guys know. See you later. Hey guys, I'm back. Alrighty, I'll tell you how I feel about all the reason why I look like this because I just got done filming a Valentine's Day look, but the foundation looks amazing. I'll show you guys. I'm not a fan of how I did this, but oh well. It doesn't look the best on camera. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, see, this is how I see it. But anyways, I think it looks pretty well. I think it looks I think the foundation looks really well. I really like the way it turned out. I don't think it looks bad at all. You know, my pimples do kind of show through just a little bit. So I wouldn't say it's necessarily full coverage. I would say medium to full. You definitely have to build it up. But other than that, I think it looks great. And I shall see you guys in a few hours or so. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, Bobby here. So it is a update right now. The T-zone, of course, is a little greasy. Yeah. Whatever. This side looks a lot better than this side. That's all I have to say. It just looks a lot more put together than this side. I don't know why it's so greasy over here, but... And even like my nose, oh my god. This happens every single time I try to wear foundation. You see how it just melts off my nose? Like, I wish I could have Robert Welsh help me with this, because it's not pretty. But the chin area is a little shiny as well. I didn't put any highlighter right here or right here. But, okay, I'm just gonna pat it in. Seems like it's working. But I'm gonna go cook dinner. I'll give you guys an update right now. It is, I believe 5 o'clock, no, 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna go cook dinner, do all that stuff. I'll come back, do an update. It's looking real good on this side. Not the best on this side, but that's okay because this is a newer formula than this one, so it's different. So we shall see. I'll see you guys in a little while. Bye. Hi guys, it's Bubby. I'm back. So do you guys remember which side is which? This is 120B vanilla. This side is 110 angel food cake. So look at this side. Okay, it's a little shiny by the nose, but it's always like that. But look at this side. Now, let's go over here. Look how shiny this side is. Now, it's my forehead area is just terrible right now. It came off on my chin because I always wear a blanket and I always have it like this. So it did come off on my chin. But if you just look at all this, it's just super greasy. And this one just looks so flawless. Like, see, extremely shiny, extremely greasy. Even right here, it's like a little bit, but it's just the newer one. 100% is a lot better than this one. When I first put it on, I preferred this one, but after I'm starting to get like the feel of all of it, since I've had it on for 9 hours, it's almost 10. It's 9:30, so I've left it on for 9 hours, and this side by far is the best. Oh, look at, oh my god. See, this side is just, it's not good. Like, you can even see my brow, look how sweaty my brow looks, and this one isn't even that sweaty. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. So make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.